Go to code.visualstudio.com and download the respective version of Visual Studio Code. So I'm on the Windows laptop, so I have downloaded Visual Studio Code on my Windows machine and I have also installed it. Let's start Visual Studio Code. Now let's go to extension. Search for the extension. Look for PowerShell and it's verified by Microsoft. Click on install. Now Visual Studio Code is ready that we can use it to write PowerShell commands and script. Let's open a folder where we can start writing our code. Trust every files. Okay. If you have a PowerShell script, you can straightway start working with your PowerShell script or create a new file and name it PS1 and you can start writing your PowerShell script.